the night is drawing near. Hear his voice so calm and gentle. Fear not, child, for I am here.
Work in the light while the day is still in sight. Lift his name